Hey guys, in this video we are going to go over some of the basic commands, and then we are going to be doing more and more advanced commands, and we're going to go more in depth with the other commands. And in each command, and some of the commands are going to have their own video, so we can explain it better and on what they do, right? So Kali Linux, man, Kali Linux is the Kali Linux command is a powerful machine, man. You can do pen testing just straight from the CLI. And this machine was, or now is created and built, and it's being taken care of by offensive security. And it is available in a lot of different flavors now. You can do 32-bit, 64-bit, ARM flavors. I mean, you can do VirtualBox, VMware ready. So there's lots that you can do, right? And the people that take care of the Kali Linux is offensive security, and they have a lot of good certifications like the OSCP, OSWE, OSEP, OSWP, and a lot of other ones. And Kali Linux operates on some Android devices as well. So if you want to boot up Kali Linux on an Android, you can also do that, which is really freaking great. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the commands. The first command that I want to go over is just some simple basic commands. I mean, you don't have to remember all of them. Is the date command, which is used to display the system date and time. So all you have to do is just type date, press enter. Look at that, date. Need to remember that command. If you wanted to see the date, you can see it's Friday, January 19th, and it is 8:39 p.m. Eastern time. It is 2024, guys. Wow, 2024 already. Yes, 2024. Now, the next command is the calendar command, which is going to display the current months formatted in the calendar, and it's just going to print on the terminal screen. And how do you get that? It's CAL. That's all you need. Oh, look at that. I don't have it installed. Let's go ahead and install it, guys. And I need the password, which is still the default password of Kali, and I typed that incorrectly, of course. Look at that. I don't have calendar installed, but we are going to install it now. And how about another command? Let's give you another command. Clear is the screen. Let's go ahead and start with the first one, date. All right, and then CAL, and this one displays the entire month of the current month that we are, so January 2024. Right, really simple. What is another one? Well, let's go ahead and see. But before we go into CD, so CD stands for change directory. So we use this to change or switch the current directory, right? So in the Linux world, we call the folders. So in Windows, you call it folders. In Linux, we call it directory, right? So each folder is that directory. So to change a directory, you do a CD. But before we do CD, I think I should go ahead and start basically with let's save CD so we can do ls before CD. All right, let's say it's CD. So, but it stands for change directory. And another one, if you want to see who is the current user that you are logged in as, you can do who am I, Kali. So that is the user is who am I. So it's basically the user ID. Okay, and you can even, if you do a who, the who command prints information regarding the users who are presently logged in. So as you can see, there's only one user that is currently logged in. So the who, if there was somebody else, it would display also in here. Who am I is the current user that I'm using. Who, it would display all the users that are currently logged in. And thank God there's only one, right? There isn't any hackers out there logged in into my Kali Linux machine. So that is W. So another command that can be used to view who is logged in is by doing the W. Just if you just do W, and this one even gives you the how long and how long it's been, how long this user has been on, how many users, the load average. It gives you a little bit more than just the W, right? So let's go ahead and back. So what we learned? We learned about the date, right? We learned about CAL, the calendar, and then we learned about who am I. We learned about who, and we also learned about just W. All right, awesome. We're doing great, guys. I think we're doing great. Now I think it's time to learn about displaying about ls. And ls is one of the most useful commands. Every time I'm going to do a video, I'm probably going to be using this command. And this command ls lists the directory contents of the files and directories. So with the help of the ls command, we can easily list out every hidden file of our directory with the -8 attribute. Okay, so let's say if we do an ls, you can see the desktop, documents, music, pictures, public, templates, and videos. Those are directories, those are folders. And if you want to see any hidden ones, you can do ls -a, and this will print all the hidden ones. As you can see over here, the the dot, those are hidden ones, but with -a, we were able to display those, right? Looking good. How about let's do ls? What if I want to see what's in the desktop? You can do an ls, and then you can specify the directory. There's nothing in there. Well, let's go ahead and say -a. Is there any hidden files? No hidden files. Let's go ahead and do ls document. Nothing in documents. Is there any hidden in documents? No hiddens. Let's see if we go. I guess that's it, right? But that's how you use the ls, is to list the directory, and we are going to be using that in almost, I believe, in almost any video. All right, so ls. Now let's go ahead and let's learn how to use the cds to change the directory. So if I want to go into the desktop, right, all you have to do is do cd, so change directory, and then space, and then you want to type desktop. Press enter, and now you can see over here that it tells you where you are. You are in the home and then the desktop directory. So if we do an ls -a, now you are in the desktop. And how do you know, or where, or if you want to know where you are, if you want to know the entire path, the really good command to know is pwd. There we go, pwd. Now you can see that you're in the home, Kali, desktop, pwd. So if you're ever lost, or if you need to copy that directory, you can always do pwd. It's print, I forgot, print something, print the current directory, something like that. But yeah, pwd, if you want to know where you are currently are. So we have gone through, yeah, so we have done a lot. We have done some. So I think we are going to leave this for now. So we finished with pwd. So let's see what we learned. Let's go ahead and recap. So we learned the date, we learned the cal, we learned who am I, we learned the who, we learned the w. What else did we learn? We learned the cd, change directory, right? And so let's go ahead and go back. So change directory, and to desktop, we learned the ls, and ls -al or al or a. What else did we learn on this video? We learned, I think that's it. Change directory, ls, and I think that's what. Did I do who am I? Yeah, I did who am I. So yeah, we are going to leave this here, and on the next video we are just going to continue doing more commands that are going to be used for any Linux users that are trying to just learn the Linux, right? So see you in the next one, baby. Bye bye.